Hello children, hope you all are good and doing well. So let's continue our chapter 2, our body systems. Children, earlier we have learned about the cells, tissue, organ and organ systems. We also learned that there are 8 types of organ systems and we have done the skeleton system and muscular system. Now today we are going to learn about the nervous system. So children, this is our nervous system which contains brain, this is brain, then spinal cord and these nerves. This system helps us to think, reason and act accordingly. And how does it happen? We know we all have 5 sense organs. Human beings have 5 sense organs: eye to see, nose to smell, tongue to taste, ear to hear, and skin to feel. And these sense organs are connected to the brain through a network of nerves. Children, have you ever touched something very hot? What happened? As soon as you touch something, you just pull back your hand very quickly. Why? How does our brain get this message that you must not touch that hot thing? Just because of these senses, because these senses are connected to the brain through the nerves. They receive message and they convey this message to the brain, and then this nervous system think and react accordingly. So children, what we have learned? We have learned that the nervous system is made up of brain, spinal cord and nerves. It receives messages from the sense organs and other parts of body. And number 3, this system helps us to think, reason and act accordingly. So children, this is our circulatory system. Okay, it consists of heart, blood and blood vessels. Okay, it blood flows in blood vessels and it carries oxygen and digested food to all parts of body. In this way, circulatory system helps in transporting nutrients and other substances from one part of the body to the other part of the body. So children, what we have learned about the circulatory system? Number 1, it is composed of heart, blood and blood vessels. Number 2, blood flows in blood vessels. Number 3, it carries oxygen and digested food to all parts of the body. Children, one more thing to be remembered is an adult heart beats about 72 to 80 times per minute. So children, next comes the respiratory system. So children, this is our respiratory system. It consists of nose, windpipe and lungs. Okay. So children, how does our respiratory system works? Children, we all breathe to live. Okay. Breathing is to inhale and exhale. Inhale means taking oxygen rich air and exhale means to giving out the carbon dioxide rich air. So when we inhale through our nostrils, these are known as nostrils. So we inhale through our nostrils. The nostril contain small hair which acts like filter. What they do, they filter the air, means no dust particle can reach reach to our body. So when we inhale through the nostrils, filtered air goes to the lungs through the windpipe. Okay, and lungs, in the lungs air gets mixed with the blood, and through the blood it reaches to the all parts of the body, and there the oxygen which is present in that air, that oxygen burns the food to give out the energy to us for various day-to-day activities. Okay, so this way our respiratory system works. So what we have learned about the respiratory system? Number one, it consists of nose, windpipe and lungs. Number two, air goes inside our body through lungs. Number three, this air is used to oxidize the food and release energy. Number four, this energy is used doing various body activities. Children, now we will continue this chapter in our next video. But before that, we will solve exercise questions of chapter 1 which are given on page number 15, 16 and 17 in your science book. Also, we will solve worksheet 1 of chapter 2 which is given on page number 21 in your science book, and that was your last homework too. Okay, many of you have done that, but still I will say just compare your answer with my answers, and if any correction is there, just do it in your book. So children, here is exercise question of chapter 1, page number 15. So first question is tick the right option. First one is fish respire with the help of, you all know, gills. Then second question, stars are natural things or man-made things? Yes, these are natural things. Now third one is houses are living things, non-living things. You all know non-living things is the correct answer. Now next one is stomata are present in plants or animals? Yes, correct answer is plants. Now fifth one, snake reproduce by laying eggs or producing young ones. First one is correct answer, laying eggs. Okay, now second question B, fill in the blanks with given options. Here some options are given, you have to choose from them. So first one is plants prepare their own food. This option will come here. Then second, the process of taking in and giving out air is called breathing. Breathing. You can also match your spelling with these options. Now next one is reproduction means giving rise to young ones. Here reproduction will come. Then fourth, we breathe in air through our nose. Now fifth one, all living things increase in their size. Now next question, give one word for the following. First one is increase in size of living things. This is called grow. Grow. Now second, process of taking in and giving out air. We all know breathing. 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 Now giving rise to young ones is known as reproduction. Reproduction. Now next one is small holes on the bodies of insects. These are known as spiracles. Spiracles. Now number 5 is planet on which we live. We all know that is Earth. 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 Now question D is classify the following as living and non-living. So first one is tiger. We all know this is living thing. We will write here living. Now next one is chocolate, which is a non-living thing. Here we will write non-living. Now next one is lamp and chair. Both are non-living. Then plant is living thing. Here we will write living. Okay. Now question E, match the following terms with pictures. So first one, man-made thing. So here this hut is man-made thing. Now natural thing, sun is natural thing. Non-edible plant, we all know mushroom. We will match it with mushroom. And then breathing organ, that is lungs. And then have spiracles, we will match it with this insect. Okay. Now our next question is write true or false. First one is plants are living organisms. Yes, this is true. Second, rocks, clouds, mountains are man-made. No, this is false. Third, all living things make their own food. This is false. Now fourth, most plants reproduce mainly through seeds. Yes, this is true. Now fifth one, leaves of touch me not open when it is touched. This is false. Now we will solve the worksheet 1 of chapter 2 given on page number 21 in your science book. So first question, unscramble the letters to reveal the terms related to human body. So first one, when you will unscramble, you will get organ, O-R-G-A-N, organ. Then second one will become tissue, T-I-S-S-U-E. Now third one will become skeleton, S-K-E-L-E-T-O-N, skeleton. Okay, now question number 2, write whether each statement is true or false. First one is tissues are building blocks of our body. That is false because cells are building blocks of our body. Then B is cells join together to form a tissue. Yes, this is correct. So we will write true here. Then C is kidney is an organ. Yes, this is true. Now D, excretory system is an organization. No, this is false. Now question 3 is complete these sentences by filling in the blanks. Here some options are given. So we will write here cells are the smallest functional unit of our body. Many cells join together to form a tissue. Sometimes a cell can perform all the functions of life. The best example is bacteria. Okay, now question number 4. With respect to skeletal system, answer the following questions. First one is two functions of skeletal system. You can write it gives shape and support to the body. Second question, how many bones are there in our body? Yes, 206 bones. You have to write like this only. Do not write only 206. Complete the answer, 206 bones. Now third one, what is the bony framework of our body called? Yes, this is called skeleton, S-K-E-L-E-T-O-N, skeleton. Okay, now our last question is encircle the odd one out. Here some words are written like kidney, tissue, cell, excretory system, bricks and men. So bricks is the odd one out because all other parts of body related to men. Children, this much for today. Till our next video, be safe, stay at home and take care.